Example, measurement context. Uncle James drives 65 kilometers to work every day during the week. He drives 72 kilometers back home because he goes via the shops to pick up a few things. How many kilometers does he drive per day during the week? To calculate, add 65 and 72 together. 65 plus 72 equals 137. He drives 137 kilometers. What is his average distance per day? To get the average distance, let us divide the total distance by 2 because he drives 2 times in one day. 137 divided by 2 equals 68.5. His average distance per day is 68.5 kilometers. How much distance does he drive in a week? Let us multiply the total distance per day by the total number of weekdays. 137 times 5 equals 685. He drives 685 kilometers per week. How much distance does he drive in a week to the nearest 100? Remember that to round off a number to the nearest 100, you must look at the tens. The number 8 is closer to 10, so we need to round up to 700. 685 equals 700. He drives about 700 kilometers per week.
Need more help?
I got that.
Ask Mesky to make it easy.
I got that.
And let the maths finally start mathing.